In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the center rear taillight on a third-generation Kia K5. This is a relatively simple job that anyone can do with basic tools. However, there are a few important steps you need to follow to avoid breaking any clips or damaging the trim. So, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. Let's get started. First, open the trunk. The first thing we need to do is remove the trunk lid trim panel. It's held in place by several plastic clips. The easiest way to remove them is by using a plastic clip removal tool. Carefully slide the tool underneath each clip and gently pry it out. The clips come out quite easily when the proper tool is used. There are several clips in the center and a few more on both sides of the panel, so make sure you remove every single one before trying to pull the trim off. Once all the clips have been removed, grab the upper edge of the trim panel and carefully pull it toward you. Continue releasing the retaining clips one by one until the entire panel comes free. If the trim doesn't move easily, double-check that you haven't missed any clips. Next, we need to remove this plastic cover. It is secured by one additional plastic clip, so remove that first. Then, gently pull the lower section toward you while slightly pulling the upper section downward to release it from the retaining tab. Once it's free, remove the cover completely. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. Now move the protective insulation out of the way so we can access the mounting hardware for the center taillight. The center taillight is secured with several 10mm nuts. There are 2 on each side and additional fasteners in the middle. Using a ratchet with a 10mm socket, remove all of these nuts one by one. Before removing the light assembly, don't forget to disconnect all of the electrical connectors. Press the locking tab on each connector and pull it straight out. There is one connector in the center that powers the center brake light, along with the other connectors that also need to be unplugged. After all the nuts have been removed and every electrical connector has been disconnected, you're ready to remove the center taillight. Simply hold the light assembly with both hands and carefully pull it straight toward you. It will easily release from its mounting points and come off the vehicle. And that's it! As you can see, removing the center rear taillight on the third-generation Kia K5 is a quick and straightforward job when you follow the correct steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future DIY repair videos.